Good morning, girls. In previous lecture, we have seen question mark and double question mark commands with at option. Question mark command prints something on the next screen, while double question mark command allows you to print some string text on the same line. At option allows you to print your text on a particular column. As well as we also have seen how to create a program, how to write a single line program, how to save the program and run the program. Now in today's lecture we shall create 2-3 programs and then learn another command. Before starting today's lecture, let us have a good thought. So today's thought is, worry is a total waste of time. It does not change anything. All it does is steal your joy and keep you very busy doing nothing. मतलब કે ચિંતા જે છે it is total waste of time. ચિંતાથી કાંઈ જ થઈ શકતું નથી. એનાથી કાંઈ જ પરિસ્થિતિ જે આવી છે એ ચેન્જ થઈ શકતી નથી. એ ખાલી એટલું જ કરે છે કે તમારી જે ખુશી છે અત્યારના ટાઈમ જે ક્ષણ છે તમારી બગાડી નાખે છે અને તમે કાંઈ જ કરી શકતા નથી, ખાલી બેઠા બેઠા ચિંતા કર્યા કરો છો. એનાથી કોઈ જ પ્રશ્નનું સોલ્યુશન મળતું નથી. હા, સોલ્યુશન જરૂર મળે ઇફ યુ ટેક પોઝિટિવ એફર્ટ્સ. એફર્ટ્સ લ્યો તો કંઈક આગળ રસ્તો મળે, પણ ચિંતા કર્યા કરવાથી કાંઈ જ થઈ શકે નહીં. તમારી સામે કેટલું બધું પાણી ભરાઈ ગયું છે. આજે વરસાદ આવ્યો છે, આપણે એની વાત કરીએ કે તમારી સામે ઘણું બધું પાણી ભરાઈ ગયું છે અને તમે ઊભા ઊભા વિચાર કર્યા કરો કે હું સામેના ઘરે કેવી રીતે જાઉં કે કોલેજેથી ઘરે કેવી રીતે જાઉં. તો ઊભા ઊભા ચિંતા કરવાથી ઘરે પહોંચી નથી જતા આપણે. વી હેવ ટુ ટેક ધ પોઝિટિવ સ્ટેપ્સ. એના માટે જે કંઈ પણ થઈ શકતું હોય એ આપણે એક સ્ટેપ બહાર નહીં નીકળીએ તો આપણને રસ્તો ક્યારેય મળવાનો નથી. સો નેવર worry about anything, be happy. Now I am opening FoxPro. Start menu, all programs, Microsoft Visual Studio 6.0, Microsoft Visual FoxPro 6.0. Look at the screen. There is one command window where we have to try all the commands which we have to learn in this semester. Fonts are already set, so directly we shall create a program today. Let me revise a little bit. If you want to create a program file in FoxPro, then the command is modify command and then you have to write the name of the file. Now today we are creating our first program. Girls, I strongly recommend all of you to write the program. When I complete writing the program and when I execute the program without error, then it is better that you open the program again and write it in your notebook or journal, whatever you prefer. Modify command and name of the program. As this is our first program, so the name of the program is first. Okay, the definition of this program will be to write a program to print your name on the screen. Very simple. Write a program to print your name on the screen. Modify command first and I have to press enter. Okay, I have pressed enter. Now here I know only one command to print, that is question mark. બીજું કાંઈ તો આપણને હજી આવડતું નથી. Only question mark command is there. So question mark and your name. We have to write your full name. Okay, anyone's name we can write. Suppose Khushi Pandya. I have written a name, so it will be printed on the screen. Let's see how it works. Now I have saved the program by clicking Ctrl W. Ctrl W is a command to save a file in FoxPro. Now it is saved. I have to run the program. તો રન કરવા માટે we have the command is do, do, do. Then we have to write again the name of the file, do first. So the instructions written inside this file will be executed. But as you know, right now we have written only one command, only one instruction is there in the program. તો એક જ instruction છે, ખાલી નામ print કરવાનું, that will be executed and the program is over. ખ્યાલ આવ્યો? This was our first program. Now let me make changes in the same program. આ કંઈ બહુ tough program નથી, it is easy. So let us make some changes. I also want to add address in the program. So I shall write opposite fire brigade question mark into quotation mark Nirmala Convent School Road, again question mark, double quotation mark, Rajkot. Done. So as you know that question mark command will print the output on the next line. So every time it counts question mark command, it will go to the next line and print the string associated with question mark command. Now let us save this program. Ctrl W. Guys, now our program has 4 lines. 4 lines are there in our program. Okay, save this. Ctrl W. Again let us run this program. Now it is our practice, and it is a good practice to clear the screen before running any program. Here there will be no problem as we have made minor changes in the program. એટલે કે નામ જે દેખાય છે ખુશી પંડ્યા એ તો છે જ as it is, right? એ તો આવવાનું જ છે, એટલે there will be no issue. But if the output is different, then there will be problem. We shall see this in the next program. Right now let us run the program. Do first. Look, Khushi Pandya opposite fire brigade, but the output of the previous program, though it was same, but it is there on the screen. What do we want? That every time the program is executed, screen must be cleared. So girls, in C language we were writing CLRSCR to clear the screen. Now here in FoxPro we have already learnt that the command is clear. So just like we use clear over here, અહીંયા આપણે કરીએ છીએ, in the same way we can write the same statement inside a program. Again open the program, and before printing anything here we can write clear. Okay guys, if you want to insert a blank line, so it is very simple, just press enter. So enter will give you a blank line. So before Khushi Pandya I wanted to type clear, so I have pressed just enter key. Suppose clear પેલા કંઈ લખવું છે તો go to clear and press enter. So you will be able to type anything. So before doing this I have cleared the screen, but right now the screen is already cleared. તમને ખબર જ છે, એટલે if you run the program there will be no issue. ચાલશે, તો ચાલવાનું જ છે. Okay, but one more time I am printing something. હું કંઈક બીજું પ્રિન્ટ કરું છું એમને જ. હા, anything else, I am printing something else, so it will be printed on the screen. Simple question mark. Again I am printing something else, so the screen is not proper, right? First of all I have to clear the screen, but now as we have included clear command in our program, so there is no need to clear the screen first. Directly I can run the program and you can see that the screen will be cleared first and then the program's output will be displayed. Is that clear? Okay. Let me revise, let me repeat that we have created a program. Its name is first, and in that program I have printed your name with address. Before printing name and address, I have used clear command to clear the screen. So first of all, screen will be cleared, then Khushi Pandya will be printed, then first line of address, second line of address and the city. In this way, the program will be executed. I hope it is very clear to all of you. There is nothing new. I have just used question mark command and printed name and address using a program. Fine. Control W will close the program as well as save it. Fine. Okay. Now again clear the screen. The second program will be the same program, but I want to print the name and address in the middle of the screen. Same program, the definition is same, that write a program to print your name and address on the screen. Same definition, but I want to print in the middle of the screen. Question mark to by default beginning of the line જ print કરશે, but I want in the middle. અહીંયા આવી રીતે વચ્ચે ક્યાંક print કરવું છે, somewhere here. તો I have to try. First of all આપણે try પણ કરવી પડશે. તો I shall create one more program, modify command. Modify command address underscore middle. ADD मतलब address print કરવું છે, ક્યાં કરવું છે? middle માં, mid. Okay. Now I don't need to type it again. I shall copy this from my first program. Same thing મારે ખાલી copy જ કરવાનું છે. Control C, Control W and in new program Control V. Simple. The change will be that here I will need the use of at command, at. So at option will allow me to print in the middle of the screen or wherever you want to print. Now here we have to apply trial and error method. Trial and error method मतलब કે આપણે જોવું પડશે કે હું આટલામી કોલમ ઉપર કરું તો ક્યાં આવે છે, આટલામી કોલમ ઉપર કરું તો ક્યાં આવે છે, that we have to check. તો ગર્લ્સ હાઈએસ્ટ શું છે, સૌથી મોટી લાઈન કઈ છે? નિર્મલા કોન્વેન્ટ સ્કૂલ રોડ. તો that should be in the middle of the screen. તો મારે ત્યાંથી પણ ટ્રાય કરવી પડશે. લેટ્સ સી. એટ સપોઝ લેટ મી ટ્રાય 30. એટ 30. એટ 30. એટ 30. Let's see if I try to print all the statements on 30th column, so what is the output? Do add underscore mid. Run the program. Look, almost it is in the middle of the screen. Still we need to shift it to left side. Okay, so left side shift કરવા માટે we shall reduce the columns. Instead of 30 it will be 25. Let us try by printing the statements on the column number 25. Run this. Look, I think the address and name are in the middle of the screen, center of the screen. It is working properly. Now you just go through the program, then you can pause the video and write it. Yes, let me write the definition so that when you pause the video and start writing, you can write the definition. Write a program to print your name and address on in the middle of the screen by using question mark command. This is the definition of the program. You have to use question mark command. It is compulsory. Okay, done. Now I am saving this program. So we have typed two programs today. The definitions are almost similar. એક જ કામ કર્યું છે, વધારે કાંઈ કર્યું જ નથી આપણે. Just printing name and address. Okay. Now after 3 lectures, I think the question mark command will be very clear to you. Let us try one more command which also allows us to print something on the screen, but this command is very powerful and it is little bit lengthy. It is not as easy as question mark command because it is new to you. The command's name is @say command. કોઈ મને પૂછે કે કયો command છે તો કે command is @say. But the syntax of the command is like this. Let us try this command in the command window first. Then again we shall use this command in our program file. Guys, let me be clear that whenever I will teach you new command, first of all I shall try the command in command window so that you can understand the syntax of the command and the output of the command, the use of the command. તમને ખ્યાલ આવી જાય કે okay, in this way the command is used and the output of this command will be like this. After that we shall write a program અને પછી more than 1 lines, 2 lines, 5 lines we can write in the program. So here the command is @row, column. Now I have already told you that this screen is divided into rows and columns. So guys, question mark command માં આપણી પાસે column ઉપર hold હતો પણ row ઉપર there was no hold. તમે row specify કરી જ નથી શકતા. Now wherever it will find space on the screen, it will print. By default એવું જ setting છે. But here in say command you can specify કે which row and which column you want to print on. So I told you already that this command is very useful and very powerful. So throughout the semester most of the programs will be written by using this @say command. So look at the screen, @row, column. Now you can decide, it is not compulsory. Suppose 3, 3. Yes, but you should know how many rows and how many columns are there. You must have used graph. Graph માં આપણે કેમ કરીએ છીએ x, y. Same way this screen. Okay, suppose for example કે 3, is this point. પણ તમારે સજ આ બાજુ લેવું છે તો I shall write કે 3, 10. You can try. આમાં practice is necessary to understand the screen's rows and columns. You should try by printing on different rows and column combinations. I shall try here. I am showing you 3, 4 examples. Then we shall write a program. So right now I am choosing row number 3 and column number 4. So @3, 10 say. Say is the name of the command. Now you must have observed one thing, that the command જે ફોક્સટ્રોના પોતાના command છે they are converted to blue color. Look, modify command, do, again modify command, clear, savy, say. So these are the commands which are understood by FoxPro. FoxPro knows કે જો આવી instruction મળે તો what I have to do. Okay, it is called command. So they are converted in blue color. So even if you write wrong spelling, you can easily get it કે it is not turned to blue. That means there is something wrong in my spelling. Command ma if you do not write M, so it is converted to black. Black, that means the command is wrong. The spelling is wrong. Here 3,10. 3 ની જગ્યાએ you can write any number. 10 ની જગ્યાએ પણ you can write any number. પણ it should be inside your screen. સ્ક્રીન ની બહારનો નંબર નહીં લખવાનો. પછી હું તમને એમ કહું કે 74 columns are there અને તમે એમ લખો કે 105 કોલમ નંબર 105, તો 105 કોલમ જ નથી, તો બહાર નીકળી જાય ને. So first of all you should know કે how many rows and columns are there. So 3,10, so 3 rows are there, 10 columns are there, of course we know that. So there I want to print something. I want to print MVM. At the rate 3,10, say MVM and press enter key. Done. MVM is printed somewhere. Somewhere, હવે અહીંયા આપણે એવું માની લેવાનું છે કે this is third row and 10th column. Girls, here FoxPro starts with 0, 0th column and 0th row. That means third row is fourth row. આમ જોઈએ તો 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. You can try another. અહીંયા આપણે let me try with 1. So this is row number 1, column number 10. Again I am trying 0. So this is 0th, that is first row and 10th column. Likewise, you can use different combinations of rows and columns to print your statement, so that you can understand કે અહીંયા કરીશ તો આમ થશે, અહીંયા કરીશ તો આમ થશે. Let us try. Okay, suppose here 5,70, fifth row and 70 column. છે કે નહીં જોઈએ આપણે. Okay, yes, it is there. We had checked in previous lecture કે 74 columns are there, if you remember. So 70th column is there. So fifth row and 70 column. You can see કે fifth row એટલે થોડુંક નીચે આવી ગયું છે અને column 70 એટલે એકદમ જ right side, right most side it has printed, because last છે, પાછળ છેલ્લી છે. 70 row એટલે ઘણું પાછળ છે. So it has printed your output on the right side of the screen. Got it? Let us try 15. Let's see 15 rows are there or not. જો નહીં હોય તો એ નહીં આવે. 15,20. No. You can see that there is no output. That means કે 15 rows are not there. Let us try with 14. જોઈએ આપણે કે 14 rows છે કે નહીં. 14. Yes. So last column is, last row is 14. Okay. So 14 rows are there and 74 columns are there. So in the combination, in say and get command, you can use 14 rows and 74 columns. એની બહારના જે લિમિટ છે 40 થી વધારે row or 74 થી વધારે columns, that you cannot use in your program or command window. Yes. It again depends on the font size. Screen ના font છે એના ઉપર depend કરે છે. Look, girls, જેમ આપણે બુકમાં લખતા હોઈએ તો જે કોઈ ગર્લના મોટા બહુ હેન્ડરાઇટિંગ થાય છે, ઓકે, તો એની જે કન્ટેન્ટ છે એ ઓછી સમાય એક પેજમાં. પણ જો કોઈને નાના હેન્ડરાઇટિંગ થાય છે તો એ વધારે સમાવી શકે. સેમ વે અહીંયા જો આપણે ફોન્ટ સાઇઝ નાની કરી દઈએ તો રો અને કોલમ વધી જાય, અને જો વધારે કરી દઈએ ફોન્ટ સાઇઝ હજી આ છે એના કરતાં પણ, તો રો અને કોલમ ઘટી જાય. ઓબ્વિયસ છે કે જેમ મોટા હેન્ડરાઇટિંગ હશે, આમાં મોટા ફોન્ટ હશે, એમ તમારું જે કન્ટેન્ટ છે એ એક સ્ક્રીનમાં ઓછું સમાશે. ઇટ ઇઝ નેચરલ, એમાં કંઈ નવું નથી, સામાન્ય વાત છે. ઓકે, પણ જનરલી આઈ કીપ ધીસ સાઇઝ સો દેટ યુ કેન ઇઝીલી રીડ you can easily understand, you can easily view the output. The screen ઉપર જે દેખાય છે પ્રોગ્રામનું output, that can be easily viewed. Again I am clearing the screen. Done. So today we have written 2 programs and we have learned how to use say command. Now say command is not complete here because there are so many options of say commands, so many clauses are there, but that will be taught to you in future. Right now you should just know that there are 2 commands in FoxPro which allows you to print something on the screen. First command is question mark, second command is @say command. Double question mark command is also there, but that is again a part of question mark. એ બંને સેમ જ કહેવાય. ઓકે, બેની સિન્ટેક્સ ને બધું સેમ જ છે. there is only one difference કે question mark command next line માં પ્રિન્ટ કરે છે and double question mark on the same line. In say command there is no such limitation because wherever you will see, તમે જ્યાં કહેશો wherever specify row and column, at that place FoxPro will print your text. Fine. I hope all of you are enjoying online lectures as well as you are also getting my point. Whatever I am teaching online in the screen, especially it is demo. That is why I am talking to you about this, that it will be clearer to you in demo lectures. And if you find any problem in demo, then you can contact me personally. Thank you all. Let us quit from the FoxPro. The command is quit and goodbye.